Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can slowly turn your videos a black and white color on CapCut PC. Super simple, you don't need the effect either, so just select your video and add like a keyframe and adjustment. So here, add it to the first one, and then like for instance in the middle of the video you want the video to be black and white, so you're just going to go to saturation and you're going to slide it to the left. You can also adjust the brightness of it a little bit to really give that black and white effect, and it's going to slowly turn your video into a black and white effect. However, you do need you don't need the other one, but like the other effect, you can like do it the other way around. For instance, you want this video from black and white to be color, you're just going to move the keyframe like the other way. So like just press undo, and like here you're going to add a keyframe and turn the saturation down, and then like in the middle you're going to then double click on the saturation and double click on the brightness to move it back to its original color, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!